What do you see?
I see a red bird looking at me.
Red bird, what do you see?
I see a green snake looking at me.
Look at that.
Agoy, bunga noong kong kahoy. Di kasabaan siguro ko ba nga nung nauna ka. Giagbungan kong kahoy.
Cute dito ah.
Asa na?
Ito ah.
Oo, nas doon.
Hindi na tatado.
Pero other side.
Di ba yung letter sack? Talaga hayang-hayang. Nagayang-hayang.
Ang black bear. Wala, may black bear dre.
Black bear. The black bear.
Oy, klaro tong langgam eh. Giagbungan ko. Ang gulo?
Yes, Zion is in the jungle. Once upon a time, Zion went into the
Scary.
jungle. It's called Safari World Jungle. In the Safari World, we can see lots of animals, but this time, fewer animals than before. It was a long time ago when we went here, but there are lots of
Hi.
animals. You can see the lion, but now, no lion. You can see some many animals.
Walay lion, pero nay Zion.
But there's a Zion. Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, your name is Zion. Jessie.
Jessie. Wala gigitik. Jessie. Is this?
What's in here, man? There's a coral pala. Oh, it's
Ay, tamaraw. Tamaraw. Imo lab na, imo. Dili siya ostrich. Imo. Imo keday, imo keday. Kape bupalo.
Buffalo
Na.
soldier.
Na, kape bupalo.
And where's the kape buffalo?
I don't know, only the imo naday, imo naday.
It's okay.
Ay, gadupa, oh. Walay kape bupalo, halang-halang na.
Kape buffalo soldier. Dahil kanan-kanan sila ron.